So this is just a real quick update with some new data types for Cloudy CMS. So the number, meaning the integer, the non-decimal number, existed before, um, but now we also have a nullable integer. So the difference between an integer and a nullable integer is that the integer has any, let's say whole value without decimals, so like 1, 2, 3, and minus as well. Um, and 0, but the nullable integer is also able to have the value nothing, so no value, meaning not even 0. That is why when you save a piece of content with these two fields, the integer will default to its default value, 0. The nullable integer has a default value of nothing, null. Same with double, which is a decimal. The default value is 0.0, and nullable double is nothing, an empty string. We also have a number of date slash time components, controls, and we have the date time here with the built-in HTML picker. We also have the date time offset, which is in its data type. It also saves time zone information. That is not. That's not. I mean, the time zone portion is not supported yet. Um, then we have date time, same data type as this, but only showing the date. So in the database, we'll still have a date time, which has a time portion, but here you can restrict it to only editing the date portion. Makes sense? We have the date time offset with date, which is basically date time offset, but only date. We have a date time with time. So this is a full date and time, but you can only edit the time portion here. Makes sense? Same thing with date time offset. And there are two new data types for date and time in .NET 6, date only and time only. They are also supported. And obviously we also have the nullable versions of these with empty values as well. We also have one last thing, which is the checkbox. It's a Boolean, true or false. So yes, no. And the nullable Boolean is also, it has a third value. So we have true, false, and nothing. That's it for now.